What's up, YouTube? I am here with my friend's ceiling fan that I say is the oddest fixture. So, as you can see, he's busted the blades off of it. and let's angle it like this. Let's see if it still goes fast. I think we might have fixed it. No. Wait. No. See, when you angle the blades the right way, it goes slow. I mean, this fan is absolutely weird. Now watch. I'm gonna put it the other way like that. See how angled that is. Now let's do it to this one. Now watch. Should take off like it did before. That was weird. It was in overdrive. Ooh. See, watch. Let's angle them the right way. Yeah, this is just some Encon Monarch. Now watch. It goes into hyperdrive. Like, super fast. Like hypersonic drive. Weirdest fan. As you can see, he's busted the light bulbs in it. That's the only light we have now. And that. Now watch, I'm going to slow it down. Now, watch. See how it's angled backwards? Now let's angle it the right way. Now it goes slow again. It's like something's off inside the motor. And that's high. Now let's stop it. Angle it back the other way. And then it sounds like it's going to take off and fall out of the ceiling. And come on. Yeah. Riddle me this one, guys. I'd like to hear from you guys in the YouTube comments on why this fan spins fast when the blades are angled more and they're backwards, but yet it spins slower than Moses when the blades are angled the right way. Slightly. Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe.